A professional sterilizing tools demo shows safe cleaning methods for salon and spa equipment daily. Technicians begin by rinsing instruments to remove debris before applying approved disinfectant solutions thoroughly safely. Next, tools are soaked within sterilizing units, ensuring bacteria and viruses are completely eliminated today. Demonstrations highlight correct timing, temperature control, and drying processes required for hygienic professional reuse everywhere. Experts also explain packaging methods, keeping sanitized items protected until their next scheduled client treatment. Clear labeling and storage procedures prevent contamination, while maintaining strict industry sanitation compliance standards globally. Viewers learn personal protective equipment usage, including gloves and masks, during sterilization procedures, safely always. Regular sterilizing demonstrations build client trust while supporting healthier work environments for beauty professionals worldwide. Following these steps reduces infection risks and ensures consistent service quality across wellness centers everywhere. A sterilizing tools demo ultimately promotes safer practices, protecting staff and clients during every procedure.